This video is an overview of the 50620 139cc 4-stroke petrol lawn mower. The mower comes with foam grip handles, which is easy for use. When we come down here, we have the on and off switch used for starting and stopping the lawn mower. Then we come down to the upper handle locking knobs, used to secure the handlebars in place. 45-litre hard catcher. We then have the lower handle locking knobs, again to secure the handlebars in position. 1.2-litre fuel tank. This is the pull starter or recall starter, used for starting the engine. Come down here to the air filter assembly. Your air filter is inside here, can be easily opened just by clicking off here. To the front of the mower we have the primer, again used for starting the mower. The oil dipstick and the 8-position height adjustment. Always ensure when filling your lawnmower you use unleaded petrol. Do not use any ethanol based fuels, and for filling the oil tank always use 4-stroke SAE 10W30 oil.